This is a Jemmco EZ Sleeve Roller. It is designed to help assist and make it easier to slide some of our roller sleeve products on. As you can see, something like this. The way this roll works is you have an air attachment on the cheek of the roll over here. You can actually see it better over here. Over here. Alright. So you hook your compressed air up onto the sleeve, onto the roller I mean. The roll has holes on the 1 inch from the end of that roller. You take a rubber sleeve.
It won't give you the answers the way you're asking.
You stretch it on. This is the part.
Thank you. Oh my God. Felt great. Yeah, you're like, this is awesome.
Once the sleeve is on past the holes,
you know what?
you open the air up. Locks it down. The sleeve does not move.